Ringless Voicemail Drops Walkthrough Guide. In this video, we will go over creating a ringless voicemail drop campaign. First step, uploading your phone list. Before we start creating your ringless VM campaign, we need to upload your phone data. Under the phone list section of the configure menu in the left, you can see all of the phone lists in your account. Press the new phone list button in the top right. Give your phone list a distinctive name. We suggest including a description for later reference. Move the For Ringless VM toggle to Yes for this list and use the File browser to select the CSV formatted list you would like to upload. When done, click Next. Note, file names should only include standard letters and numbers. Assign the column Lead Phone to the column in your CSV with the list of phone numbers. Assign extern ID to a unique ID for each record. If you don't have one, assign this to the same column as Lead Phone. Columns will highlight green when selected. You can repeat this process as needed for other columns. This data will be used when generating reports. For example, first name, last name, and auxiliary, which can be used for any column. Click Save when this is complete. When your list has been successfully uploaded, it will appear in the list of datasets loaded in your account. If it does not appear immediately, in the top right, click on Refresh List. You will be able to see how many records are ready for your campaign in the Leads Remaining column. Your list is now loaded. Second step, create new ringless VM campaign. We will now create the ringless VM campaign using the Create wizard. On the left-hand side of the screen, select Ringless VM from the Configure menu. Here you can see a list of all of the RVM campaigns associated with your account. Open the Creation wizard by clicking New Ringless VM in the top right. Enter a name for this RVM campaign. State refers to whether the campaign is active or paused. Paused campaigns will not start. We will create this campaign as paused. Next, we will select or upload the audio for this campaign. Click on the Select Audio button to open the Assign Audio window. From here you can assign any audio file in your account by double-clicking on it. You can also upload new audio files from this menu. Click Browse and locate the correct file. Click Upload File and press the Refresh List button. Next, double-click on your newly uploaded file to assign it. Now set the number of channels to use for delivery on in the Max Ports field. 10 to 20 is generally sufficient for most ringless voicemail campaigns. Click Next when this is complete. Next, we will assign or add caller IDs to this campaign. On this page, you can select the caller IDs you wish to use for this campaign. Drag them from the left to the right side to assign them. You can also create new caller IDs from this menu. Click the New Caller ID button, enter the 10-digit phone number, then click Save. Click Next when complete. Scheduling your RVM campaign. On this page, we will start by setting the start and end dates for this campaign. When building a schedule for a campaign, select the schedule time zone. The default is local time relative to lead. This will deliver to each phone number according to the schedule within that phone number's specific time zone. There is also the option to select a specific time zone for the schedule. This will start the campaign at the time you set in that selected time zone. Next, you will drag the slider bars for each day to your desired broadcast time frame. Click the X on any days you do not wish to broadcast on. Click Next when complete. Assigning phone lists to your campaign. On this page, you can assign one or more phone lists that you want for this campaign. Simply click the checkbox for every list that you want to assign to this campaign. We will select the phone list that we uploaded in the previous step. When done, click Next. Targets. If you would like to add any optional RVM targets, you can do so on this page. Targets will allow your RVM campaign to stop delivering once a certain threshold is reached. Click the Save button to save your RVM campaign. Activating your ringless voicemail. Your ringless voicemail campaign is now ready to launch. Select your campaign by double-clicking on it. Here you can review the details of the campaign. You can use the tabs at the top of the page to make any necessary changes to the campaign. When you're satisfied with the settings, change the toggle beside State to Active. Click Save in the top right, and your RVM campaign will initialize for delivery on the schedule that you defined.